Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel Craft Paris with Mumu. So today we'll make this cute stationery holder. If you don't have any, then this video is for you. You your table is getting very messy with pen pens. Then you can make this. You- This is very cheap to make and really cute. Then the markets one. So at first I'm drawing a cute teddy who is eating a watermelon with his spoon. So I am coloring it. I've used brush pen for coloring the watermelon spoon, and here I'm using brown color, and I make it very light using water. Then I am giving the border of it. So you have to keep the border a little bit bold because then it will look very cute. So now fold the paper and cut the teddy. So you can follow the process which I'm doing. I have shared detailed process here so that you can understand easily. It don't take very much time to uh, like made it. So it took maybe half an hour to be made by me. So you can see I have cut two pieces like this. Now I'll color this part of the teddy. I'm using the same brown color which I've used the previous time. So now I'll again border it using black sand pen, and of course I'll give a bold border. You can use a marker instead of sign pen. I have no marker, so I have used a sign pen here. So now take two pieces of cardboard and glue these teddies on it. I'm using Fevicol here. Now stick it nicely to the cardboard. Stick the both parts of the teddy. I've used here a cardboard of my shoebox. You can use anyone as you wish. So after that you have to cut the extra cardboard from the teddy in this way. While cutting the cardboard, be careful so that the teddy doesn't cut. So now you can see I have two pieces. Now take four pieces of cardboard. I'm using hair tape to attach them. I'm now making the main part of the uh, stationery holder or pen holder. So this is the main holder actually. I'm using tape to attach them together. You can use hot glue gun. And for this one I've used a cardboard of globe box. Again here you can use anyone. I'm just giving you some ideas so that you can get idea from where you can get it. So now I'm making the main holder actually. So you can see it is very easy to make. Instead of uh, scotch tape you can use hot glue gun. So that's it. Now I made another piece of cardboard for the, you can see how I'm making it. After sticking this cardboard with the with the previous one, our main holder will be completely ready. And sticking scotch tape in both sides of this piece of cardboard, and now like this you have to stick them together. So in this way you have to do it. It is very easy. Just watch carefully and then you can make it very easily. The size will be a little bit bigger than the where, because here the part where I'm gluing, I will use the teddy, so it can be a little bit shorter, but the size must be long a little bit. So now I'm sticking the teddy with it. Now I'll stick the other part in the other side of the main holder. I'm using Fevicol here to glue them. So now I'm using Fevicol here so that the space you are seeing stitch with the teddy nicely. So in this way you have to do it, and here is the final result. Our beautiful teddy pen holder is done. So see how easy it is to make. So hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe.